In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in ClickUp. If you spend a lot of time managing tasks, switching to a darker theme can make long sessions easier on your eyes and can even help conserve battery on some displays. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can make the switch in just a minute. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed into your workspace. Once the app loads, look toward the top area of the interface for your profile control. This is usually your avatar or initials in a small circle. Click that to open your personal menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the area where you control your account level preferences. If you see options for workspace or team settings, skip those for now. We're focusing on your personal environment so that you change only your view, not anyone else's. Inside Settings, select My Settings. This section is all about your individual account details and preferences. You'll find options related to your profile, notifications, and how the app looks and feels. Now, locate the Appearance section. This is where ClickUp groups the theme controls. You'll see choices for different visual modes. Find the theme selector and choose Dark. As soon as you pick Dark, the preview should reflect the new look, giving you a quick sense of how your lists, boards, and task views will appear with the darker palette. After selecting Dark, confirm the change by clicking Save Changes. This is important. Without saving, your selection may not stick the next time you refresh or sign in. When the save is complete, the interface should update across your workspace, including navigation, task panels, and pop-ups, so everything aligns with your new theme. If the theme doesn't switch right away, give the page a quick refresh. And if you ever want to go back to light mode or try another look, just return to the same appearance area in My Settings and pick a different option, then save again. Also remember that My Settings affects only your personal view, so teammates won't be impacted by what you choose. That's it, you've turned on dark mode in ClickUp. Enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience, especially during late night work or in low light environments. If you're following along on desktop, these steps will always be in your profile and My Settings area, so you can revisit them anytime. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new theme.